Yeah, I found this in an old market today down in Bezier, and the man wanted 55 euros for it, and my wife picked out a dish that he was asking 10 for, and in the end I got the both for about 40 euros. So 45, so basically it cost me about 35 euros, so quite happy with that. It's got quite nice detail, but as you can see down in here, there's quite a bit of dirt, and I'm just going to wash that out and see what I got. There's some small damage to it. Has little ropes and ties in there, so it's a really nice ship. I'm not too sure about the stand, but I'm going to leave it for the time being because it belongs to it and it's sold. And I'll see what I'm going to do. Well, there you go. So here's the boat. All I've done is taken it into the kitchen, washed the deck all down, but then I took bleach and water and washed the sails a bit so that they're not so stained, but they still look old. So I still got that old effect, which is nice. And then after I washed with bleach and water, I washed it all off with water 2 or 3 times. Now it looks quite clean. It might need some varnish touch-ups on the hull. As you can see, it's a nice detailed boat. I think quite happy with this buy, and the lifeboats are a little bit more visible with a bit of white washing off of the brown stains. There's the old guns on the side now. Here we go. What can I say? Half an hour, 3/4 an hour work, and I got a nice boat. Yeah, I'm fixing up this old galleon ship. I've cleaned up and revarnished some of the planks here and the deck a little bit. Almost I added a little bit of white on the lifeboats and a little bit different colour on the barrels to give it a bit of contrast. What I've been doing here is putting like bleach, a little bit of water, and clean the sails, right? And then I wash them off with water so that the bleach is nearly out of them. And now I'm putting some of this paper towel in behind the first set of sails and letting it dry in front of a blow heater, and then I'll do the second set. As you can see, some of these sails are misshaped and it doesn't look very like it's in the wind or anything, see? So I'm trying to get that look back, as you can see here, trying to get the puff sails back in the ship. She's looking pretty. So there's the ship drying. You can see all the paper towel pushed in to make the sails puff out.